Hello, Verity traders. Welcome to the daily market recap. All right, in the news, we have the stocks ending flat. We had the strong jobs data that's been lifting the yields, but it also tempered the Fed rate cut hopes. So the S&P 500 closed roughly unchanged, while the Dow and Nasdaq were slightly lower. The session was kind of muted. The market didn't really go anywhere. So the stronger than expected January jobs report, which we're going to look in a minute, pushed the treasury yields higher, as we said. But the fact that the odds of near-term Fed rate cuts were reduced didn't make the market really happy. Actually, quite the opposite. The traders will be focusing on the CPI that will be released on Friday because there are no other major catalysts. Now, financial firms, they were starting to recover and performing well. Now they came again under pressure because new rising concern about AI-driven disruption. It happened on Tuesday with the softwares and now with the financial firms. I actually had a trade on a banking stock that just reversed back. But that's the beauty of trading options. With spreads, they can reverse. We can sit through volatility and still make our profits. Now, the investors are scared that AI-driven solution could diminish the relevance of established advisory and banking firms. That could be a big, huge problem for the financial sector. Now, let's see on the advancing declining, we have 57% of stocks that were declining yesterday and only 38.7 advancing. But if we look at the stocks above and below the 50 SMA, we still have a 50-50 situation. Let's look at the charts. So here we have the S&P. SPY, we're still above the 20, we're above the 50. Again, this is not a nice candle. The volume wasn't great, but we didn't go anywhere. We're still in this area, still in the zone. We'll see. What are we doing? Are we waiting for a break? We're going to reverse down. We don't know. But if we look at the RSP, which is the equally weighted SPY, where all the stocks have the same weight, that has been in a bullish run, and it still is. Okay, this candle isn't the greatest candle and might have a consolidation or a little pullback, but definitely here the picture is bullish. If we look at the Nasdaq, again, we're always at the same area. We didn't go anywhere. The volume was below average. This 613, 620 area is very magnetic, and the Qs didn't really move from there through all this period. And the tech sector is still out of favor. Now, this reflects in the broad market. We still have the big stocks there in red. Exception made for Nvidia and Broadcom. They were a little bit above, a little bit in green. We had the software and application sector or industry that was red for this AI disruption that we were talking about it. That was more from Tuesday. And then the financial sector that was looking good. It looked like it was about to recover and reclaim the 50 SMA. And now with this new AI worries, especially for tax planning and financial advisory worries, it moves back down. But we're going to wait and monitor it. The rest, our usual pockets of strength, are still strong. Energy is still strong, industrial, consumer defensive, healthcare. For the most part, they're all still good trades, and basic material, obviously, with the gold and silver that stabilized. All right, in the economic calendar, we had very good non-farm employment change, was expected, forecasted 66,000. It came out at 130,000, and unemployment rate a 0.1 tick lower, which is positive. Now, we have unemployment claims. Let's see, they will come in line with expectation and confirming this for previous numbers. But the big day is going to be on Friday. Let's see if inflation is lowering down, if it's still sticky or not. That's going to be a good indicator for us and see where the market is going from there. In terms of stocks to watch, to our watch list, I don't have much for you today. I'm still myself more in monitoring mode, just checking what's going on. If you really want to put on some trades, I have one trade in the healthcare sector, so you can add it to your watch list, or AMKR or Oxy from energy sector. On our bear side, we always have the usual strategy, IBM and Accenture. They're all from the tech sector. Again, this is not financial advice. They're just stocks to watch. You can add them to your watch list and keep an eye on them. That's it for today, Market Roundup, and I'll see you next time.